Hit the off switch, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or seen in various contexts. Hit the off switch. This idiom is not just about turning off a device, it's packed with meaning and usage in everyday English. So, let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make your English learning journey a bit more colorful. Hit the off switch is a phrase that, on the surface, refers to pressing a button to turn off a device. However, metaphorically, it means to stop an activity or process, or to calm down emotions or reactions. It's often used in situations where there's a need to halt what's happening. Whether it's because something is going wrong, there's too much noise, or someone needs a moment to relax and regain control. This idiom can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are a few ways to incorporate it into sentences. 1. In emotional contexts, when someone is too excited, angry, or emotional, you might say, "He really needs to hit the off switch and calm down." 2. Stopping activities. If a plan or activity is not going well, you might suggest, "Maybe it's time we hit the off switch on this project and think about our next steps." 3. In literal and figurative speech. While it can be used literally for turning off devices, it's more often used figuratively to suggest stopping or pausing something. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. During a debate, I think both sides need to hit the off switch for a moment and consider the other's point of view. In a work context, the team was getting nowhere with the current approach, so the manager decided it was time to hit the off switch and start fresh in the morning. Personal relaxation. After a stressful day, I just need to hit the off switch on my brain and enjoy some quiet. Understanding and using idioms like hit the off switch can make your English more natural and expressive. It's a handy phrase for talking about stopping actions or calming down, whether in personal situations, work, or discussions. We hope this video has illuminated this idiom for you and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is about piecing together these little parts to express yourself fully and vividly. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.